In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the MF2S, a 2x2, made by the Cheap Cube section of Moyu, Mofang Jiaoshi. There's a picture of this person, I don't know who he is. So, let's get into the box. That was surprisingly easy. Okay, this has a pamphlet. Some people are not a fan of pamphlets, but I personally highly enjoy pamphlets and actually have a pamphlet collection. So let's see what this is. I'm hoping for Ortega method. That is a lot of pamphlet. I can't. The only way I can get it all on screen is long distance vertical. So I'm just going to talk you through it. It's in English. It appears to be this is actually Ortega method. This is got a tutorial on the Ortega method in both English and Chinese. There's a world record created by Moyu Cube section, which seems kind of narcissistic. But there's 3x3 single out of date, 3x3 single out of date, 4x4 single out of date, 4x4 average possibly out of date, 6x6 average single out of date, 6x6 average in date, 7x7 average in date, one-handed in date, blindfolded don't know, 4x4 blindfolded not sure, Pyramix single and Pyramix average both out of date, and Cube in date. And there's also a section of brands owned by Moyu. So there's Moyu and Cube in Classroom, to the most well-known ones. Mohuan Shaosu, Moju, Goguan, Shengwan, Kong's Design, and a couple I've never heard of, which are Yangsheng and Letao. But since this has got Ortega stuff, that's going to be a useful pamphlet. And just as I expected, it's nearly impossible to fold back up. There we are. But I've just spent 3 minutes rabbiting about the pamphlet. Let's get to the cube. I have no idea where that box went. So here it is. The MF2S. And the shades are kind of dull, like compared to my Cyclone boys. The red's less vivid, green's about the same, yellow's definitely duller. Plastic also has matte finish, which isn't helping. Huge contrast on the blue, and the white is about the same, but you can't judge a cube by its shades, which I'm pretty sure is the same. There's a bit of discoloration there. Let's do some turns. Okay. If I had to put a word on that, it'd be sandy. Oh god. That feels really smooth actually. Let's try corner cutting. It will corner cut about it won't corner cut 45 because this reverse pretty okay. The flow is decent. It does flow well. It feels very shushy. Like here's the sound of the MF2S. Here's the sound of the Cyclone boys. They're very different. I think that might be due to mechanism. It is feeling... It's feeling pretty good. Let's do a solve. I have turned the power off, sound off on my Yushin timer that I unboxed last time. So, let's do a scramble. Okay, I guess that'll do. Let me see. I think. Yeah. Oh, this is faring pretty poor. Soon just went by like a shot. Pretty shonky. The flow feels nice. It feels very swishy is the word I'm after. Corner cutting could be better. Doesn't have the locking issue of the Cyclone boys, which to be honest wasn't a problem until just then, and I think that I've misaligned all the centre screws. So that helps tip things in favour of the MF2S. The cube is pretty smooth. But it's still not phenomenal. All in all, this is a good, cheap 2x2. If you're just getting into 2x2, I would recommend buying it, especially since it comes... That's the square one. Where did the pamphlet end up? Especially since the pamphlet comes with all tape instructions, which I will definitely be looking into. So yeah, that pretty much concludes this video, which was an unboxing of the MF2S. I'm going to have to give that some more thought. So...